In this lesson, we're going to take a look at changing the About menu. So let's click on it. And the About menu is controlled by Page Builder. So let's go over to here. We're going to close this out. And let's go to Pages. And by the way, if you don't know what is connected to what, you can just go to the menu and it's going to show you which item is connected to. But since there aren't that many pages on here, we'll know exactly what this is connected to. So this one here is connected to the About Us. You can do the front end editing, which I've showed you before, or you can just do the back end editing. But this is where you're going to make changes to it. So let's just do that here. Let's go to the front end edit. Once you're logged into the front end, when you put your mouse over an item, as I previously showed you, you click on that space and it is going to allow you to change this particular item here. So you click on this, you can put in, this tab, you can go down, change the mission, my mission, and you click this little check here, save. You can add more items too. You can add an item, select an icon for it if you want to. Let's get the right Joomla. And you can also add, the content, and you can add the content by clicking here. You just put a text block and you click to edit, and you can put this, just apply. So as you can see, it's really simple to add more items. And for the team, you can click here to edit the image. Just the settings here, you can change the name. You scroll down, and this is the row settings. So if you want to make change for the rows, which I showed you how to do it before, you scroll down here, you have this, and that's pretty much about it for the home. I'm sorry, for the About. So that's how you can make changes to it directly on the Helix on the front end.